Great thing about wildlife recording is you don't need to be an expert. You can be an ordinary person like me. And it just takes a little bit of time. Just have to look, slow down, take a few pictures, and that can start your wildlife recording journey. My family think I'm crazy, but they're very supportive, and that's nice. They're quite used to me coming home from walks with twigs covered in lichen or pellets that have been regurgitated by birds of prey or something. Every now and then, my family will say something where I think, you were listening. Or they'll ask a question about something that I don't know about, but then that's just another excuse to go and find out about something. I love going out on walks and just seeing what I can see, finding out about new things, and I just find it really, really interesting to learn all of these new things. It's really important for scientists to be able to measure species distribution and changes in population. So all of those pieces of information, individually, they might not seem that important, but collectively they form this really, really powerful scientific database. Last summer, I saw a beautiful little butterfly in my garden. I didn't think it could be what I thought it was because it had never been seen north of Dundee before. And I took a photo of it, and then it was confirmed that it was a holly blue. Very, very common down south, but it was quite exciting to see it so far north. There's now going to be a dot on the map, which has come from my wildlife sighting. It just goes to show that people can be citizen scientists and make a difference.